Ever tried to invoice a client in a different currency? Or maybe you're dealing with international suppliers and need to track expenses in their local currency. If so, you've probably wondered how to add another currency in Xero. Well, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll break down the simple steps to add multiple currencies in Xero and manage your international transactions with ease. Xero is a powerful cloud-based accounting software that helps businesses of all sizes manage their finances. One of its key features is the ability to handle multiple currencies. This is crucial for businesses that operate internationally, deal with foreign suppliers or customers, or simply want to track their international transactions in their original currency. Benefits of using multiple currencies in Xero: accurate financial reporting. Track income and expenses in the original currency for accurate financial reporting and analysis. Improved cash flow management. Forecast cash flow more accurately by understanding the impact of exchange rate fluctuations. Simplified record keeping. Reduce the time and effort spent on manual currency conversions. Enhanced compliance. Ensure compliance with local accounting standards and tax regulations. Steps to add another currency in Xero. Log in to your Xero account. Go to Settings and then General Settings. Click on the Currencies tab. Click on the Add Currency button. Select the currency you want to add from the drop-down list. Choose the exchange rate type, Manual. You'll need to enter the exchange rate manually for each transaction. Automatic. Xero will automatically fetch the exchange rate from a reliable source like xe.com. Click on Save. Important considerations. Exchange rate fluctuations. Regularly review and update exchange rates to ensure accurate financial reporting. Bank account reconciliation. Reconcile your bank accounts carefully when dealing with multiple currencies. Reporting. Use Xero's reporting features to analyze your international transactions and gain valuable insights. Tips for managing multiple currencies in Xero. Use the foreign currency field. When creating invoices or bills, use the foreign currency field to enter the transaction amount in the original currency. Track exchange rate gains and losses. Use Xero's reports to track any gains or losses due to exchange rate fluctuations. Consider using a foreign currency bank account. If you frequently deal with a particular currency, consider opening a bank account in that currency. Example scenario. Let's say you're a business owner in the United States who sells products to a client in Canada. You would create an invoice in Xero and enter the amount in Canadian dollars. Xero will automatically convert the amount to US dollars based on the exchange rate you've set. This allows you to track your revenue in both currencies and easily reconcile your bank account. Troubleshooting. If you're having trouble adding a currency, make sure you have the necessary permissions within your Xero account. If you're experiencing issues with exchange rates, double-check your internet connection and ensure that Xero can access the exchange rate source. If you're still encountering problems, contact Xero support for assistance. Adding multiple currencies in Xero is a straightforward process that can significantly improve your financial management. By following these steps and considering the key factors, you can accurately track your international transactions, gain valuable insights into your global operations, and ensure compliance with local regulations. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.